Hello friend, welcome to watch again my channel. Now I want to tell about the different things in Samsung Galaxy A10. Samsung Galaxy A10 is a wonderful mobile. Now I want to tell about the general specification of Samsung Galaxy A10. It's an operating system Android 9.0, colors available in black, golden and blue options. Now I want to tell about the display of Samsung Galaxy A10. It's 6.4 inch Super AMOLED display, Full HD bezel-less display, pixel density 403 pixel per inch Gorilla Glass 6, and light sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometer, compass, and on-screen fingerprint sensor. Now I want to tell about the processor and RAM of Samsung Galaxy A10. It's a processor of 2.8 GHz octa-core, Qualcomm Snapdragon 845, RAM 6GB. And now I want to tell about the camera of Samsung Galaxy A10. It's a rear camera, triple cameras, 24 megapixel, 8 megapixel and 5 megapixel. Front camera is 25 megapixel LED flash. Now I want to tell about the Samsung Galaxy A10 storage. Its an internal storage is 128 GB, expandable up to 512 GB micro SD card. Now I want to tell about the battery performance of Samsung Galaxy A10. It's a battery 3500 ampere non-removable. Its backside and front side designed by Samsung. It's a smooth finishing to complete the display. It's an Infinity display, generated the 90% scan ratio. Samsung motherboard designed by Samsung is octa-core processor. It's internal and live focus by photo, and for low light photography when you capture the photo in display flash, it's a super display flash. It's designed by Samsung. It's a too much designed and it's incredible design by Samsung. When you shoot the video as like that, you think in live, and it's a internal and external design by full of Samsung. And Samsung annotation, Samsung given by A10 is full speed. Any game if you want to play, then its gaming speed is high. Its a battery performance is too much high, long lasting battery. If you charge one day, then it's continue to go 3 days. Thanks for watching my video.
It's caught in the crossfire.